And welcome to this 3D Motive comprehensive course on creating a box-pushing puzzle game in the Unity engine. I'm Alan Thorn and I'll be your instructor as we explore how to build a 3D puzzle game every step of the way from start to finish. Throughout this course we'll take an in-depth look at a wide range of Unity features, from level design and lighting configuration to inverse kinematics, character animation, and also load and save game functionality. In this first part of the course, I'll show you the foundational and core concepts for making any Unity game that every developer simply needs to know. We'll see how to import and configure assets, develop a sensible and efficient prefab workflow, create modular environments, and bake level lighting using the Beast Light Mapper, plus a whole lot more. By the end of this part, you'll have a solid grounding for beginning your own feature-filled games with an advantage that'll make your work much easier. So, with that said, let's get started.